post a cash payout or an expense. So at times you will find that in your business you might be having some day-to-day expenses, and some of the expenses could be delivery costs, lunch. You bought some tokens, electricity tokens, and from those expenses you've actually gotten the money from the cash drawer or even from the director's account. So in this case, I want us to be posting today. We're going to be posting such. So for today, we're going to be capturing either 2 or 3 of the cash payouts so that you may just have a more of the same. So in this case, I want to believe that you've already logged in and you're set to go. So as I said, all this is dependent on the company rules and regulations. So it all depends with who has which right. So cashiers might not be having the rights to post the expenses, but accountants might be having the rights to do so. System administrators will definitely have that, and management and directors will definitely have the same rights. In this case, once you want to post, whenever you want to post a cash payout, you click on cash payout. After the cash payout, it will bring this into draw page to payout. So in this case, I want to post an expense. You click on type here, then you go to pay expense. This is a cash account. Cash account is where the money is coming from. So assuming the cash is money from the money is coming from the cash drawer, what you do is you make sure that the cash account is selected to be as cash in hand, so that it may deduct that money from today's or that day's collection, cash collection. And then we go to the account to be paid. Account to be paid is the specific expense account. So the expense account might be lunch, as we said, lunch. So maybe let's say it's transports for delivery expenditures, in which you need to ensure that the type here is reading transport stroke. The type is reading expense, not cost of sale, not cost account, not any other account, but it's an expense. So you click on this, and then you write in the amount. We say the used around 150 for the delivery. So in the reference, you do a narration of why exactly are you giving out these 150 shillings. So in this case, in our example, I'm going to be saying that the reference is payment for order to deliver order. And then the name is usually supposed to be the name of the person who's given the money. In this case, or the name of the cashier, the person who gives out the money. But most often, we usually write the name of the person who's given the money, because the system captures the name of the cashier itself. So in this case, we say order guy. The reason why I'm doing a narration and a reference is so that even for an audit that is going to be happening, if an accountant looks at a report, the expenses report, or even the director, they won't need to keep on calling the person who's doing the expenses. They'll be able to see this was the payment. There is a narration that is already there. So they'll be able to tell that definitely this was a payment done for the delivery of water, such things. So that is the beauty of you capturing the actual reason or the actual narration or reference of as to why you are actually doing this payout. Once you've done that, you click on enter and you'll have finished off with that. If you click on enter, the payout is posted, the money is deducted from the accounts, and you're good to go. Let's do another one, just for the sake of making sure that we are okay. So you click on cash payout. In this case, I want us to do an expense on electricity. I'll leave cash account in that. Then I'll say this is electricity, water and electricity. We say we bought 1,000, use the country, tokens Then you can say here who was given, it was Mary. For example, we say enter and it has posted. Good to go. That's the end of our tutorials for today. As per posting expenses, I hope you get it. Watch it as many times as you can. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. Have a good day.